Which trading cards do you want to work on today? A flower or some of these wacky birds? You get to decide. For our artist trading cards this year, we're going to make a flower or a wacky bird. You get to pick. For the flowers, you will start with a center idea. You will draw one of the centers that you like. You want to draw it pretty big, about half the size of your paper, but you still need room for the stem and the leaves. And I'm going to pick this one. Then you're going to pick petal ideas. So you already have the center. All you need to worry about are the petals. So I'm going to pick this one. So I make my petals. And then I'm going to draw the design inside the petals only. Then you'll draw the stem and the leaves. I pick this one. And now I'm going to pick a different idea. This time I'm going to do this one. It's a good thing I didn't pencil first, that I can erase if I make a mistake. And then I'm going to pick a different petal. I think I'll do these. So first I make the petals. And these petals have lines with a little dot coming out. Pick a stem. And a third idea. When you're finished drawing your 3 flowers, don't forget to write your name and pick the one that you like the best to draw on your artist trading card for next week. Just like last year. Then you're going to draw it on your artist trading card. So next week, we will draw it on the artist trading card and color it in. If you pick the wacky birds, you're going to first pick one of these bodies. So I'm going to pick this half circle shape. Draw it nice and big. Then I'm going to go to this sheet and pick a pair of eyes that I want to do. Then a beak. Then a tail. Then the feet, and a top for the head. Then I'll draw 2 more birds and I'll make them different. So remember, you first have to look over here and find a body you want to draw. Then you'll look over here. Legs, and something for the top of the head. These wacky birds are a lot of fun. And a third wacky bird. And just like the other paper, you have to write your name at the top and check the one that you're going to make on your artist trading card. I think I like this one the best. Next week we'll put it on the trading card and you'll color you pick. Is it going to be wacky birds that kind of look like angry birds? Or these beautiful flowers? You get to pick. Go ahead, please get started.